Hello students, welcome to Summarize Chemistry. Today we'll discuss about Raymer-Tiemann reaction. It is a very easy reaction and a very important too. You will find this reaction in your 10th examination, in 12th examination, in any entrance exam. So it is very important to you. So let us start it. In this reaction, what will happen? That phenol is converted into salicylaldehyde. Okay, the reagent used in this type of reaction is NaOH plus CHCl3 and then it will be hydrolysis. Let us see the chemical reaction. This is phenol. When it reacts with NaOH, that means sodium hydroxide plus CHCl3, then it will form a ortho-salicylaldehyde and a para-salicylaldehyde. In this reaction, the major product will be always the ortho product. Okay, if there is any substituent present in the ortho position, then the para product will be the major product. Okay, here it is written, if there will be any substituent present in the ortho position, then the major product will be the para product. Okay, let us see the mechanism of it. This is chloroform CHCl3. Okay, when it reacts with OH, OH comes from NaOH. Okay, then water will remove H and OH. Here water will removed. Now see, the carbon contains 3 bonds, so it will be negatively charged. Okay, here there are 3 chlorine. Okay, you know chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, so here are 3 chlorine. Okay, so there will be so much repulsion which leads to removing chlorine from the compound. Now this will be the product, that is dichlorocarbene. Okay, now this will be the next reactant which react with phenol. Now phenol, this is phenol. First it is converted into phenoxide ion. Okay, why? Because phenol is less stable and phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Okay, so here the resonance of course, then this bond will shift here. Now this carbon will get negatively charged. Now the carbene, that is dichlorocarbene, will react with this carbon. So what will happen? That this carbon contain now 3 bonds and a lone pair. So the hydrogen will shift towards the carbon, that is CHCl. Okay, so this bond will shift here and this bond will shift towards the oxygen, that is oxygen will get negatively charged and this is CHCl. Now there will be addition of 2 NaOH. Here will be a positive sign which I have not given. Here I did it. Now what will happen when 2 mole of NaOH will react with this, the chlorine will removed and the OH will replace it. So here are the removal of 2 NaCl molecule and the addition of 2 OH group here. So the H2O will remove because this is unstable. Why unstable? Just remember that when a molecule contains 2 number of OH group, then it is highly unstable. Okay, so the water will removed. After removal of water, this will be the compound. Okay, now what will happen? The H plus ion will again attack to the oxygen and this will be the product, that is salicylaldehyde. Okay, aldehyde H because this is a aldehyde group. Okay, thank you for watching the whole video. Do like, share and comment if you are beneficial for it. So thank you.